We're back in Baja. First day of pre-running for the Baja 500 2025. Pretty excited, it's been a while. I haven't been down here since November, so it feels like forever. But we're here, we're in San Vicente, unloading some stuff right now. We're gonna head south a little, jump on the course in Colonette, and head back towards Ensenada. Mike Kim hasn't gotten here yet, so it's just me and the boys today, and then we're gonna pick up Mike Kim tonight and start making some notes and stuff happen. But we're back. I'm excited. Let's get this started.
Ever since we've seen that snake, every little stick and everything, I'm like, oh, there's a snake. Yeah, it's a snake. I don't like snakes. You don't like snakes? No, I hate snakes. That's like my, nope, scared of them. Very scared of them, I guess. But the lion? The lion? I can pet that thing, dude.
Alright, so we just wrapped up at our first section. Man, it feels, the first time's always a little like your back, your neck, but yeah, we're here in, about to head into Europan in Acambaro. Yeah, just getting a few snacks, fueling up on fuel, and I screwed up. It was a little chilly. I didn't have a jacket on, I just had a long sleeve t-shirt on, and I was cold. I was a little chilly. But now I got a big, nice, thick jacket on, and it's warming up. So you give some, you take some. But we're gonna keep on trucking, go find our boy Mike Kim in a little. So onward. Alright, we finished the first day. We've met up with Mr. Mike. Look at him all nice and clean. He's like, what have you guys been doing all day? Dude, it was kind of cold coming down in Ensenada right now.
I just saw your jacket, I was like, oh man, I should have brought mine.
Yeah, a hoodie will be fine, but yeah, good first day. A little over 100 miles. Not bad for commuting across the border and yeah, all kinds of stuff. So, yeah, now we're gonna go eat some tacos. Maybe. I don't know. What do you want? You know what you want?
I'm gonna eat at the restaurant.
Restaurant? I was debating. I was thinking we'd go to the potato place. Or we could just do the restaurant. We've eaten at the restaurant a million times, so I just feel like...
I know.
I want
a safe bet.
I know. I want the chicken teriyaki, but I don't know any safe chicken teriyakis that are closed. Tomorrow night we could have chicken teriyaki though, if they're open.
So we can go to the sushi place. They have teriyaki chicken there. You've had it there.
Oh yeah, that place?
Yeah.
Let's go there. We can see what everyone wants. But I love sushi, especially in Mexico. So.
Okay.
Seems sketchy, but
it's good.
I just know at the end of the week I'm gonna have coconut shrimp like 6 times. All I eat at the Corona is coconut shrimp over and over and over. but it's safe and it's good. It's convenient. So, all right, let's go check in. Day 2 pre-running. We got Mike Kim today. We're gonna jump in the pre-runner. Try to cover some ground. We just want to see, kind of get our eyes on the whole course. Yesterday we ran about 100 miles, so today we're starting here in Ensenada, so we'll jump on the course in Ojos, run to Valley T, and then up and over Mike's into San Quintin. So gonna be a long day, but we're gonna jump in the pre-runner this morning, and yeah, go do a little commuting through town, then jump on some race course and show Mikey Poo what all the rain's done. Put me in jail. Yeah, I feel like that's a pretty easy one. Peeing in public here, 20 to 50 bucks. She's tight out there. Really tight and rough. We run this section so much. There's some new stuff right here at the end, but a lot of this we've just run over and over. We've ran past every time we come out of Ensenada, almost we run this. So it's pretty chewed up. But yeah, the rest coming from El Alamo and stuff. There's a little new section right here. It's pretty fun. Really tight. Gonna need some opening up. The trucks are, or it's a little tight for us, but overall feels good to be. The pre-runner is nice. You just get a little spoiled in the old pre-runner. As we were talking, do we get back in the racer today? And you're like, oh, I don't know, man. Show you guys our new food setup. Pretty dope. We got all our food like always. And now we got 2 optimal orange shops to 150 amp hours each, so 300 amp hours. Then we have what you call a DC to DC charger. So the charger charges from the truck, which then charges these batteries. So if the truck's running, these batteries are getting charged. Then we have a 2,000 watt inverter behind the microwave that, so like truck off, everything just off the batteries, we're able to run the microwave and the coffee maker. Which the microwave pulls about 1,000 watts, but this pulls like 1,500, so we had to bump up to a 2,000 watt. But kind of nice now, because literally we can come in here and just, microwave's running. You don't have to start a generator or anything like that. It's making it a little more convenient thanks to Optimum. Good? Yep.
I'm the sun.
That's pretty good. You got more wet than me.
I am the son and heir. You shut your mouth and you say I go about things the wrong way. I am human and I need to be loved, just like everybody else does.
Alright, we just finished up pre-running. Long day. We started at like mile 20 and now we're at 3:15, so we covered, or 3:05, so we almost 300 miles. Pretty solid day. About half in the pre-runner, half in the UTV, so yeah, it was good. I was pumped. I didn't think we were going to get this much, so gives me good hopes for later in the week covering more ground. But for now, we load up and we go get teriyaki again. Alright, day 3, starting off the day with a little MTV cribs. It's where we live for the next week, so might as well show you where we got the important things. We got snacks, we got more snacks, we got stickers, water, got some new HEPA filter, but when you turn it on, it also downshifts the truck, so that's off limits. And we also got 6 screens, just in case we do get lost, which hopefully doesn't have 6 screens. But today we're starting on the coast, and on the coast, let's get it. It's gonna be a long day.
Did you stand there all alone? Oh, I cannot explain what's going down. I can see you standing next to me, in and out, somewhere else right now.
For those who don't know, altitude, which right now we're at sea level, I guess we're at 50 feet, plays a huge difference into engine performance and moisture. So right now we are in pretty ideal conditions. Being at the beach, it's nice and chilly, low temps, decent moisture. She likes it. In Utah, she doesn't like it. High altitude, dry air. I guess dry air is good.
Looking for the answer. Funny how it seems like yesterday as I recall,
Yeah, I get it.
out of place, gathered up your things and slipped away. No time at all. I followed you into the hall. Cigarette, daydream. You were only 17, so sweet. The mean street nearly brought me to my knees. You can drive all night.
morning. 200 miles pretty much straight through. We're here in Valley T, eating some muffins. Our chase crew, the trailer broke, so they're still on the other side. So it's just us pulling up to the gas station, eating some muffins, Topo Chico, and we got all the dogs' attention. Dude, this one's for sure got fox in it. Dude, tell me.
Just take that one home.
I know. Dude, I wanted the one here, Paula. The one who used to live, there used to be a dog named Paula who lived here. Literally the cutest dog ever.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I heard, someone told me, one of the locals told me some European couple took, like, who was traveling down here, took her, and she lives in Europe now. It's like Vicente, man.
Yeah, like, you need a little bit of luck.
Close over, Phil. We're out here, double car wash service here. We got one on each side. These guys know what's up. Local legend.
Parece el de